Before kissing your girlfriend in public, make sure she's okay with it. Ask her something like, "How do you feel about showing affection in public? Would you mind if I kiss you sometimes when we're around other people?" If she says no, don't try to pressure her into it. If she is cool with it, it's still a good idea to wait for the right time and place. For example, it's not best to make your very first kiss public. Avoid kissing her in professional settings like at a work or formal event related to her job or yours, or in places where other people around you might feel trapped or uncomfortable, such as in an elevator or on the bus. Stick to relaxed settings such as a park, a party, or a public street. If you feel like the moment is right, make eye contact with her and get close. You can also try gently touching her arm or brushing her hair out of her face. Pay attention to how she responds. If she moves closer and locks eyes with you, she might be in the mood for a kiss. On the other hand, if she backs off or looks away, she's probably not feeling it right now. To be sure, it's always best to ask her. Say something like, "Is it okay if I kiss you right now?" Once you get the green light, lean in close and give her a light kiss on the lips. Avoid doing anything too intimate, such as a prolonged French kiss, since that can get really awkward in a public setting. Just relax, keep it simple, and enjoy the moment.